Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have some NuMe products for you. So NuMe, just in case you haven't heard of them, they do hair products and they've been around for a while. In fact, I feel like several years ago, all the influencers everywhere were talking about NuMe products, and in fact I did buy a reverse curling wand and I have a review on that I will link in the description box. And while I enjoy that curling wand, I have not since purchased any products, and then just recently the company reached out to me and I was like, yeah, sure, I'd love to review some of your stuff. So they sent me three things. They sent me the Megastar 1-inch straightener, some hairspray, Hair-Fie Ready Finishing Spray, and then this is the Not Your Basic End Sealer. This is one of those sort of use it how you want products. In the reviews I heard some people talking about using it like as an overnight treatment. You can use it on your towel dried hair before you start styling, or you can use it on your dry hair after you're done styling as sort of a finishing cream. It does have a tiny little pump and it just squirts out a little bit, and they do say to use this sparingly. My preference for using this is after my hair is done. So I am gonna do my hair for you guys today and I will show you how I use this. This is a nice lightweight, flexible hold hairspray and I'm in love with it. And this I actually really like. I was surprised at how much I like this. You know, because you figure, straightening irons, who cares? What's the difference? But recently I've had like all of these issues. So I had this pink one that I got from some company on Amazon, and I've been using that one for a long time now, and it sometimes just doesn't work. I don't know why. It's like you press the button and it doesn't work, and I get frustrated with it sometimes, and recently it stopped working, possibly permanently. So I grabbed another one from like Rite Aid or Target for $20, and it pulls out my hair and I really just don't like it. And then I got an Amica one in my FabFitFun, and I complained quite a lot about that if you saw my FabFitFun video, because I didn't like the feel of it, the style of it. It got too hot, the buttons were hard to press, it didn't open wide enough right here. I hated everything about it. So when I got this one, I was really hoping that I would love it, and you guys, I really do. And I'm not just saying this. NuMe is not paying me to say nice things. They sent me their stuff so that I would review it, and I always give an honest review. So I'm gonna plug this in and show you guys how I've been doing my hair lately. Okay, so like I said, 1 inch, and it's got, I don't know, ionic, a bunch of sciencey stuff that I don't understand or care about. You know, makes your hair pretty. So what I care about are the aesthetics of it. It has your swivel cord, which, does anybody not have swivel cords anymore? I think that would be just rude. The buttons are on the inside, but they're off to the side a little bit, so when you press them, you don't have to reach all the way in there, because this area does get warm. Not as hot as like the Amica one did, and it's just a quick press and it's on. With my pink one, you had to hold it down, which I hated, especially for turning it off, and then the button would only sometimes work, so I would just unplug it every time. Maybe that's why it stopped working. Anyway, so you have your power button and then you have the up and down. I always just leave mine set to 450 because I have thick hair that does not like to do what I tell it to do. So I always just leave it on the highest settings. But if you have thinner or damaged hair, you know, it's nice to know that you can adjust the settings to whatever works best for you. And it heats up really fast. Can you guys see this screen? I hope that that's focusing and you can actually see the numbers. It heats up so quickly. What I've been doing with my hair lately is, you can just use it to straighten your hair. My hair is short, so straight just looks not great. So lately I've been doing some different styles. One where I'll kind of curl the ends out a little bit and then it kind of swoops out. I'll try to post pictures if I have any of, you know, where it's just kind of sticking out a little bit. Or, you know, I tried doing the like basically flip like this, and I end up looking like I have a weird helmet head thing going on, and I'm not a fan. And then lately I've been adding a little bit more of a curl to it, but trying to not add too much curl and to keep it messy. I feel for my hair at this length, messy is the way to go. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of curl it. So I've got my mirror right here. That's what I'm looking at down here. Before I blow dried my hair, I put like I can't even remember what product I used, but you know, like a protectant-y thing. So I just take small sections, like this one, I'm gonna go, my hair's so weird. I'm gonna go away from my face and just pull it out like this. And then, you know, you get a little curl. That's such a weird, awkward curl. And then the next one, I'm gonna face the other way. So on this one, I'm gonna go toward my face. And I like it when it kind of falls out the bottom because then you get kind of this straight bit right here. In fact, sometimes I'll kind of slowly curl and then quickly pull it out at the end just to get kind of a straighter bit. Just to give it some variation, you know, and that really helps with like the messy look is when you have some straight bits mixed in with your curled bits that are facing different directions. So, okay, and I'm just gonna keep doing that all over my head. So this curling one does not pull out my hair like ever, which is so nice. The outside is soft. It does get hot up here, but not so hot that I can't ever touch it. And it has like this bit right here that's kind of lined. And this part is safer to touch. This one doesn't get quite as hot. However, the steam will try to burn your hand. So, you know, be careful. But it's nice that the whole thing doesn't just like burn your hand and I can easily hold it from down here. I can't see the back of my head, so I have no idea what's going on back there. Okay, so now that I've curled all those pieces mismatching ways, I basically just, again, mess it up, run my fingers through it until I get some sort of a desired effect. And if there are bits that are a little too curly, like this guy right here, I'm just gonna straighten that out. There we go, that's better. So now I have my curls generally how I want them, and that's when I'm gonna take this, this end sealer cream and just do like 2 pumps, not very much product at all, and I'm gonna rub that in my hands and then just do this. It smells really good, and I try to focus it a little bit more on my damaged hair up here, the colored bits, because I do bleach those to get that color. And this will help, you know, not only take care of my hair because it has good stuff in it, but also it just helps to kind of give it a smooth and textured kind of a finish. And then I'm gonna take my hairspray. One of the things that I love about this hairspray is that it does have a very wide spray, so you can get a lot of coverage, and this is a loose hold, so this isn't going to give you helmet head, which is not what I want. I want something that I can run my fingers through and that's just gonna continue to get messy throughout the day and be movable, you know, and bounce around with me. So anyway, I like that you get that wide angled spray on this, and I basically just spray it all over to help those curls stay. It smells good. I like the smell of these products. Okay, now that I have a rat's nest again, let's try to tame this just a little bit. Okay, so that's that. You can see I really love this thing. I'm gonna turn it off. So easy to turn it off. It does take a little bit longer to cool down than it did to heat up, but that's okay. It hasn't melted any of my stuff just yet. So the Megastar Straightener is $179. However, right now, as of the filming, they're having a Halloween sale, so you can get 40% off. The Hair-Fie Ready Spray is normally $25, but it's on sale for $10, and then the end sealer is normally $23, but it's on sale for $9.20. And that's one of the biggest things that I would recommend to you guys is, because these products can be on the expensive side, look for sales. Follow them on social media, find people like me who probably have a discount code, that sort of a thing. I mean, when I bought my curling wand, I waited until I got it for half off. You know, and that's what I would recommend. Like 40% off right now is an awesome deal. Even if you don't get it right now, or you miss the sale, or you're watching this video 6 months from now, I'm sure that you will be able to find deals. Even if you just wait a little bit, they're always having sales for different events and whatever. So anyway, my suggestions would be to follow them on social media and definitely check out the description box because I probably have a discount code for you as well. And that's it. I'm actually really impressed. Also, did I mention that all of these products are cruelty-free? I love that. So I'm honestly very happy with my NuMe products. You never know with things like this, you know, if it's just gonna be like weird gimmicky thing that people are promoting because they were told to, not because they actually like the products. Well, I'm telling you, yes, they sent them to me for free, but they're not paying me, and I genuinely have been using these products every day and loving them. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!